Meaning of grittiness.
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 Grittiness. Grittiness refers to the quality of being tough, persistent and resilient in the face of challenges or difficulty. It is often associated with a mindset of determination and perseverance that enables individuals to overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. This trait is highly valued in many contexts, such as sports, business, and personal development. People who are characterized as gritty tend to be self-disciplined, focused, and capable of pushing through even when the going gets tough. Overall, grittiness is an important attribute that can help individuals thrive in challenging circumstances and reach their full potential.